Now I am applying toner, skin preparations. Now applying moisturizer according to my skin type. My skin type is actually combination skin and I have very sensitive skin. So I have to moisturize my skin like in an hour. Starting the makeup with applying GLAM Touch Primer from Lenphor. It is basically velvety in texture. It minimizes the pores and it is very soft on skin. Like you can see, it is in a gel finish form. Now for foundation, I am using Creamlish foundation from Lenphor. It's in the shade Natural. Now blending my foundation with the help of foundation blending brush. Make sure your foundation blends well and sets well with your face. For setting my base, I am using Lenphor Shimmery Dust powder. Coming to blush, I am using Lenphor's Cheeklicious blush in the shade Coral Rush. Now coming for eyes, I am using the same foundation on my eyes to create base. Make sure you dab your base perfectly. Now I am using the same Shimmery Dust loose powder from Lenphor to set the base. Now for eyes, I will be using Lasche liquid lipstick from Lenphor. It is in the shade Tyrant Plum 05. I'm just going to put some amount of liquid lipstick on my outer corner of eyes. Make sure you blend the lipstick very well so that it does not look patchy on your eyes. Now I'm using Lenphor Sketch It eyeliner in the shade Black. For eyelashes, I am using Lenphor's Lasche Mascara in the shade Black. It gives volume and it lengthens your eyelashes. I love it. Lastly, coming to lips, I am using Lasche liquid lipstick from Lenphor. It's in the shade Blue Fuchsia. Last but not the least, setting my makeup with the help of makeup fixer from Lenphor.